Hello and welcome to my Week 5 discussion, Oral Communication of Research. My name is Tanya Cochran and I'm going to be your host for this PowerPoint presentation. And I chose my project on the Lishan survey. So for my hypothesis, between the two areas of Mount Enterprise, Texas, which is my location B, it will have more moss and fructose type lichen as it is woodsier and gets more rainfall. Now here in Waco, Texas location, which is my location A, it tends to be a hotter, more of a drought climate, and should have more fructose or bare bark with no growth as it barely rains here and we hardly ever get any moisture to our atmosphere. So what I found interesting about this particular project for the Lishan is that the lack of water in Waco, Texas versus Mount Enterprise, Texas, because the drought and toxins in the water in Waco are more dense, parts per million, than Mount Enterprise. The amount of rainfall dilutes the toxins in the water, and it leads me to believe that there needs to be more filtration and water treatments in the Waco, Texas area so that human and plants can consume it and it be healthier. Here, as you can see in my chart, I have it all listed out for the Lishan survey for my particular area, which is location 1, Waco, Texas, and Mount Enterprise, Texas. For those of you who do not know where this is, Waco, Texas, and Mount Enterprise, they're about 3.5 hours apart. Mount Enterprise is over by Louisiana border, where Waco is more in central Texas, so we are more of a drought area, where Mount Enterprise is a lot of woods. They have bigger lakes, a lot more water beds. They have trenches of just water alongside the roads. So the decline in lichen within the local ecosystem in Texas would have a significant impact on the overall balance and health of the environment. Lichen is a vital component in the food chain, serving as a food source for many insects, birds, and mammals. Its absence would disrupt the natural food web and potentially lead to a decline in the population of these animals. Lichen also plays a crucial role in maintaining soil health and preventing erosion. Without its presence, the soil would become more vulnerable to erosion, which could negatively affect plant growth and water quality. Additionally, lichen is known to absorb air pollutants and contribute to air quality. A decline in this could lead to an increase in air pollution levels, which could have detrimental effects on human and animal health. Overall, the decline in the lichen would have a cascading effect on the entire local ecosystem in Texas. So for my conclusion, leading back to my hypothesis, Waco, Texas has less water, so that means less lichen or bare bark on the trees. It is also, or will have, more crusted lichen due to the drought conditions that we do have in central Texas, where Mount Enterprise has feathery and mossy lichen, as it has definitely more rainfall than any other area in Texas. And the more water creates better living conditions for all the wildlife, and it contributes better nutrition.